Hello everybody, my name is Alejandra Pedraza and I'm here to show you a little bit about the exploration I made about our English course. So in this case, the first thing that we have to do will be choosing our course, that is English 6, for the number 5180118 underscore 1701, I'm sorry. So in this case, the first thing that we have to explore in this course will be the agenda. It will show us all the information about the tasks that we're going to have, all the tasks, including from the 1 until the 6, that is our final task. It will have a description, the activity type, and the dates for each task. You can find it here on the corner, or you can also go to this initial information. You will be able to see it here. Then we can continue with the course presentation. In the one, you're going to see some slides that it will show all the information about the evolution units, all that information. We can go down for the corner here and we'll be able to see all the rules for the course, including individual rules, collaborative rules, group rules. We are able to read like all the information from here, and then we can continue with our syllables. In this case, we will go to our second learning environment. We will be able to see here syllabus, and we will be able to check here all the information as well for the course, the outcomes, the purpose, the strategies, all the information that you want to have about the course, the units, the topics. You will be able to see it here as well. Once we review like the syllables, we will be able to start with our guidelines, with our task. For example, in this case, we're having our first task. We will be able to find the activity guide and evaluation rubric. We can download it. I already have it here. In the one, it will show like all the steps that we have to do on this task, like the things that the PDF in this case has to have, and all the resources. In this case, that will be it for our learning environment. We have another environment that it will be the evaluation. In this one, we're going to submit like each task. You can just scroll down, and here you will be able to add your task so you can have the feedback for your tutor. In this case, if we go back to the beginning of the screen, like for the main page, we will be able to see here like our partners. But at the moment, we don't have a tutor assigned yet, but we do have like our group of partners. At the moment, we are there are 5 of us, and it will give us like the number of the group is 518011, and our group number is 30. And well, once we have our tutor assigned, we will be able to see it here as well, like the name and his personal information or contact information. And I think I'm not missing anything. Oh, well, another important thing here will be like the forms. On the learning environment, you will be able to upload your information if you have any questions about the task, if you want to share information with your partners or anything like that. You can go to these forms for each task and you will be able to upload the information there. Or we have some forms that are like more interactive that you can find here in the initial environment. we have like news form here, general form here. At the moment we don't have like anything uploaded there, but we will be able to have like forms to interact with other people, other tutors, and that's it. Well, yeah, that's it. Here at the top next to my name, we have like this little envelope, and then when you will be able to see like all the emails you receive from tutors, sometimes from classmates. Here in this case, it will show not just this course, but other courses as well. And well, in this case, that's it. We were able to know a little bit more of the course, about the web page, the platform, and well, I hope you like it. And in this case, it will be it. Thank you so much.